Welcome. This is WASSCE Past Question Literature in English, year 2019. Question number 37 says, what binds the speaker and their address together is their dash. That is the focus of them coming together. That is the address. That is the topic. What bind them together? And then the speaker, or the speaker. Then remember that we've discussed about this citation from question number 36, and then we are using this question number 30, this assertion to answer question 36 to 40. A, hatred for Othello. B, fear of Cassio. C, fear of Duke. D, hatred for Brabantio. The correct option here is A, option A, which is hatred for Othello. Remember that Othello was a champion, not just a champion, a warrior. But he fought a lot of war for Venice, and then he became a champion, and then became a leader of the warriors. So thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more of our videos.